Realme is in the real mood to market its existence in the market, and in process to achieve it, they have launched Realme X. In this video, let's unbox it and see what we get with the device. In the box we get the device itself, that's Realme X, a transparent case, SIM ejector tool, some usual paperwork, VOOC 3.0 fast charger, and a Type-C cable. As a physical overview, on the top we have secondary noise cancellation mic and a pop-up camera. On the right hand side we have a dual SIM tray, there is no micro SD slot and a power button. On the bottom side we have a Type-C slot, speakers, microphone and a 3.5mm jack. And on the left hand side we just have volume rockers. Though the back is plastic, but it feels premium in hand. It also gives a sort of gradient finish in the back, and we have a dual camera setup. Now, and as of front, it has a 6.53 inches Full HD Plus Amoled display. There are no notches or no cutouts as it comes with a pop-up camera mechanism, which makes it a full view display. As of internals, it is powered by Snapdragon 710 chipset, which is a good performer. The device runs on ColorOS 6 based on top of Android 9 Pie on it. As of cameras, we get a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor with f1.7 lens and a 5 megapixel depth sensor as a secondary lens. And when it comes to front, we get a 16 megapixel Sony IMX471 sensor with f2.0 lens. Here are some camera sample shots. Talking about the variants of the device, we get a pair of 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is a base variant, and the other is 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. As of security, the Indisplay fingerprint scanner, which I mentioned earlier, is also quite fast and accurate. And yeah, you get the option of face unlock too. The battery capacity here we have is a 3765 mAh to run the device. And to fuel it up, it supports VOOC 3.0 flash charge. The Realme X starts with a price tag of Rs 17,000 for the base variant, that's 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So keeping all the above things in mind, we can say overall this device is a decent performer. So that's it for the video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. This is TechUnpack signing off.